Deep within the emerald embrace of ancient forests, a legend stirs. Shadows dance beneath a canopy of towering trees, sunlight filtering through in ethereal beams. The air hums with the secrets of the wild, whispering tales of a creature unseen, yet undeniably present. This is the domain of Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, a creature shrouded in mystery and myth. Its elusive nature only deepens the intrigue, fueling countless stories and igniting passionate debates. Every creak of a branch, every rustle of leaves, sends a shiver down your spine. The search for Bigfoot is a journey into the heart of the unknown, a quest to uncover the truth lurking in the shadows. The legend of Bigfoot is deeply woven into the fabric of Native American folklore, stretching back centuries. Tribes across the Pacific Northwest have long shared stories of a large, hairy, humanoid creature inhabiting the region's dense forests. These tales, passed down through generations, often depict Bigfoot as a powerful and enigmatic being, both feared and respected.
Some tribes viewed it as a protector of the forest, while others saw it as a harbinger of misfortune. The creature was known by many names: Sasquatch, Skookum, Oma, each moniker reflecting the unique beliefs and experiences of the tribe that shared its story.
The arrival of European settlers in the 19th century brought with it new interpretations of the Bigfoot legend. Stories of wild men and hairy giants, common in European folklore, began to intertwine with Native American accounts. Newspaper reports from the late 1800s and early 1900s documented alleged sightings of large, unknown creatures in remote areas of the Pacific Northwest. Eyewitness accounts formed the bedrock of the Bigfoot legend, each tale adding another layer to the mystery. Some describe fleeting glimpses of a large hairy figure disappearing into the undergrowth, while others recount more detailed encounters. Loggers, hikers, and hunters have all reported seeing Bigfoot, their stories often sharing striking similarities. One of the most famous alleged encounters occurred in 1958 near Bluff Creek, California.
The footprints, some measuring over 17 inches in length, quickly captured the attention of the media, sparking a frenzy of interest in Bigfoot.
Another intriguing account comes from the forests of Washington state, where a group of hikers in the 1970s claimed to have filmed a large, hairy creature walking upright through a clearing. The footage, now known as the Patterson-Gimlin film, remains highly controversial, with some experts dismissing it as a hoax, while others maintain its authenticity. Witnesses consistently describe Bigfoot as a large, bipedal creature covered in dark hair, with a powerful build and a pungent odor. Despite the abundance of eyewitness accounts and anecdotal evidence, the scientific community remains largely skeptical of Bigfoot's existence. While much of the evidence collected so far has proven inconclusive, some tantalizing clues have emerged. Hair samples analyzed by some researchers have yielded DNA profiles that do not match any known primate species. Audio recordings of alleged Bigfoot vocalizations, while often difficult to interpret, have hinted at a complex communication system. S3. However, a small but dedicated group of researchers continues to investigate the Bigfoot phenomenon, utilizing scientific methods in their quest for answers. These researchers, often from fields such as primatology, anthropology, and ecology, approach the subject with a blend of open-mindedness and healthy skepticism. They carefully analyze eyewitness reports, searching for patterns and consistencies that might point to the existence of an unknown primate. They also collect and examine physical evidence, such as footprints, hair samples, and alleged vocalizations, utilizing DNA analysis and other forensic techniques. Beyond the realm of scientific inquiry, Bigfoot has secured a prominent place in popular culture.
Its image has become instantly recognizable, adorning everything from t-shirts and coffee mugs to movie posters and album covers.
Bigfoot has transcended its origins in Native American folklore to become a global phenomenon, a symbol of the wild and unknown.
The creature's portrayal in popular media has been varied, ranging from the fearsome and monstrous to the comical and even sympathetic.
Movies like Creature from Black Lake and Harry and the Hendersons showcase the spectrum of Bigfoot's representation.
Television shows, documentaries, and even animated series have all featured Bigfoot, further cementing its status as a cultural icon.
The enduring fascination with Bigfoot, despite the lack of definitive proof, speaks to a fundamental aspect of the human experience: our innate attraction to the unknown. We are by nature curious beings, driven to explore, to question, and to seek answers to life's mysteries. The possibility of an undiscovered creature lurking just beyond the fringes of our understanding is a tantalizing prospect that ignites our imaginations. For some, the belief in Bigfoot stems from a deep connection to nature and a respect for the unseen forces that govern the natural world. The idea that there may be creatures out there hidden from our view challenges our anthropocentric worldview. It humbles us and fills us with a sense of awe at the vastness and complexity of the natural world. While the allure of the Bigfoot legend is undeniable, it's essential to approach the subject with a healthy dose of skepticism.
Critics of the Bigfoot phenomenon point to the lack of concrete physical evidence as a major red flag. Despite decades of searching, no bones, teeth, or other verifiable remains of a large unknown primate have ever been found.
This absence of physical evidence, in the face of numerous alleged sightings, raises serious questions about the creature's existence. Skeptics also point to the often unreliable nature of eyewitness testimony.
Human perception is fallible, and our brains are wired to find patterns and meaning, even in random or ambiguous stimuli.
Furthermore, the history of Bigfoot research is rife with hoaxes and misinterpretations.
The lack of clear, unambiguous evidence, coupled with a history of hoaxes and misidentifications, has led many to conclude that Bigfoot is nothing more than a product of folklore.
Despite the challenges and skepticism surrounding the search for Bigfoot, new technologies are emerging that offer fresh hope for unraveling this enduring mystery. Advances in fields such as DNA analysis, remote sensing, and wildlife tracking are providing researchers with powerful tools to investigate the unknown. DNA analysis, in particular, has revolutionized the study of wildlife biology and could hold the key to proving or disproving the existence of Bigfoot. Hair samples, scat, and even trace amounts of DNA left behind in the environment could potentially yield valuable genetic information. The ability to analyze environmental DNA, eDNA, extracted from water or soil samples, further expands the possibilities for detecting elusive creatures. Remote sensing technologies such as aerial drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging capabilities offer another promising avenue for Bigfoot research. The enduring fascination with Bigfoot, regardless of whether it proves to be a real creature or a myth, reveals much about our own hopes, fears, and desires. Bigfoot, as a concept, has become a blank canvas onto which we project our own beliefs and values. It is a mirror reflecting our relationship with the natural world, our fascination with the unknown, and our desire to believe in something beyond ourselves. For some, Bigfoot represents the wild, untamed aspects of our own nature. It embodies the freedom and power of the natural world, a world untouched by human civilization and its constraints. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and urban sprawl, Bigfoot serves as a reminder of the primal forces that still shape our planet. The question of Bigfoot's existence remains one of the most enduring and debated mysteries of our time. Despite decades of research, countless eyewitness accounts, and a trove of tantalizing evidence, the answer remains elusive. Will we ever know for sure whether this elusive creature is a real inhabitant of our forests or simply a product of our collective imagination? The answer, like the creature itself, remains shrouded in uncertainty. Skeptics argue that the lack of concrete physical evidence, coupled with the often unreliable nature of eyewitness testimony, suggests that Bigfoot is nothing more than a myth. Believers, however, point to the sheer volume of sightings, the compelling details shared by witnesses, and the tantalizing chansuang clues emerging from scientific analysis as reason to keep searching. The debate over Bigfoot's existence is likely to continue for generations to come. New evidence, whether in the form of DNA analysis, compelling footage, or even the discovery of skeletal remains, could potentially tip the scales in favor of the creature's existence.